Morning, everyone. And today is Thanksgiving, and today is Thursday, November 22nd. It's and right now I'm just gonna get up and get ready. Brush my teeth and whatever, have my coffee, and also I have to cook. So I'm going to make plantains. So that's what I offered. That's what I offered to make, because first of all, it's super easy. All I have to do is just to fry them. My aunties will make other things. So we're gonna get up and go to the kitchen. So guys, this is what I end up choosing to wear for today's Thanksgiving dinner. So this is my outfit. My sock, my glasses, my keys, and so yeah, there you have it. This is my outfit today. Just so you see my little makeup. The makeup I have on, simple. I try to match my lipstick with my sweater here. So that's all. So let's go. And today I have the pleasure to be test driving, or I should say drive, my uncle's car. Let me tell you, an African will always be an African. My family said to be there at 4, and guess what? It's 3:30, and that's when I'm leaving. And I have an hour and a half, an hour drive. Well, let's add 30 minutes of traffic. Well, it looks very beautiful outside, but honestly, it's not. It is super cold. So, today, I will be driving. Right here at the keys. I'll be driving my uncle's brand new car, and it is... Dun, 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 dun. Let's go see what kind of car it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. There. This is my ride for today. Amen.
Blessed be the Lord, these thy gift which we are about to receive through God our Christ our Lord. Amen.
Wonderful food and wonderful family. Amen.
Amen. You gonna continue?
Everybody coming together today.
Amen.
Is it recording?
Amen. Amen.
Thank you, Lord, for giving us life. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. We thank God for this reunion.
Amen.
How you zoom in? thank you, Lord, for they're all successful and they're all blessed.
Amina.
Amen.
Thank you, Lord, for the life. It's a beautiful life.
Amen.
We're grateful. Thank you, Lord, for everything, for the family, beautiful people, the people who prepare the food, the people who are about to eat it. We're praying for even a wonderful year and great success.
How you zoom?
Good health.
Amina.
Thank you,
Oh,
God,
okay,
for
just
the
straight
life
for
that you've given everyone. Thank you for my family, for blessing me through
my finger, man.
to come.
Amen.
Thank you, God, for saving our life. Thank you, God, for good health. Thank you, God, for this beautiful family. Amen.
Amen.
Oh, it's okay.
No, go ahead and say it.
Oh, I don't know. I don't even have nothing.
Come on.
Okay. I'm thankful for the food. Let's eat before it gets cold. Amen.
Amen.
After we were done eating, so my family, we gathered around the table and had a family game. We played Family Feud, and it was very, very fun. And we usually don't have moments like this, so when we get a chance for all the family to come together and eat and just have fun, we use it effectively. It was a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. That will be all for today. Hope to see you next time in our next video. So please don't forget to subscribe and have that bell button on. That way to always have notification when we drop a new video. Thank you and have a blessed day.